If you're wondering how to estimate product sales on JungleScout, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through exactly what you need to know to get started with JungleScout's tools for estimating sales and finding profitable products to sell on Amazon. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to get better at using it, this guide will break it down step by step. First, let me give you a quick overview. JungleScout is one of the most popular tools for Amazon sellers, especially when it comes to product research. If you're serious about finding the right products to sell or figuring out how well a product is doing, JungleScout is key. You can use this software completely free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses, so make sure to grab that offer. Now let's dive into the steps to estimate product sales with JungleScout. When you're in the software, you'll want to start with the product database. This feature lets you filter through a massive collection of Amazon products. To estimate sales, select filters like category, price range, and ratings. These filters help you narrow down the search to products that align with your business model. Once you apply the filters, JungleScout will show you products that fit your criteria. You'll notice sales estimates, which are based on the data that JungleScout pulls from Amazon. To get a clear idea of how well a product is doing, click on any product from the list to open its detailed view. Here's where you'll see a bunch of useful metrics, but the most important is the estimated monthly sales. This number is calculated based on the number of reviews, the product's price, and its rank on Amazon. The higher the sales estimate, the more likely it is that product is moving at a high volume. Another great feature for estimating product sales is the Sales Analytics tool. Once you've chosen your product, this tool lets you track its estimated sales over time. It's perfect for spotting trends or deciding if a product is seasonal. If you see a steady upward trend in sales, that's usually a good sign that demand is growing for that product. You can also make use of the Keyword Scout tool. This helps you estimate the traffic potential for keywords related to your product. By understanding how often a keyword is searched for and how competitive it is, you can gauge whether the product has high potential for ranking and visibility, if you're not sure how well a product is performing relative to others. The Product Tracker feature lets you track multiple products and compare their sales performance over time. By adding products you're interested in to the tracker, you can get daily updates on their sales estimates, which helps you make more informed decisions. Now, here's the key takeaway. While these tools are incredibly helpful, they're most effective when you combine them. The Product Database gives you a wide range of options. The Sales Analytics helps you analyze the product's trend. And the Keyword Scout reveals if it has the potential to attract the traffic it needs to sell well. Together, they give you a clear picture of whether or not a product is worth pursuing. As a digital marketer, I can tell you that using JungleScout to estimate product sales is one of the fastest ways to get valuable insights into Amazon products. You get data-backed numbers, so you can avoid wasting time and money on products that aren't going to perform well. Before you go, remember you can try JungleScout for free with our exclusive extended trial. The link is in the description below. Take advantage of that so you can start estimating product sales, doing research, and finding the best products to sell on Amazon. This is one tool that can seriously help boost your Amazon business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.